Parents, loved ones, friends, and to the most important people in Emilio Aguinaldo College, my fellow alumni, my fellow Emilians. Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Graduation nyo, ang lungkot-lungkot nyo. Tama? Sabay-sabay, sabihin natin, I am proud to be an Emilian. I am proud to be an Emilian. You know what? For the record, I have been a commencement speaker for more than 15 times already. Naaalala ko lahat yan. Kasi hindi naman ako lumaki sa farm. Lumaki ako sa kalsada ng Maynila at ng Dasmariñas. Kaya bawat detalye, malinaw. But you know what? These commencement exercises, I feel, is so special. You know why? Because there is no place like home. Pwede po malakpak. Pero, before anything else, please allow me to congratulate the graduating class of 2024. You deserve it. After several sleepless nights, hundreds of recitations and examinations, and sacrifices that you had, you deserve to celebrate. Kaya yung seatmate mo sa kanan, tapikin mo sa balikat. Congratulations, buddy! Yung sa kaliwa naman, baka magtampo. Ang galing mo, buddy! Again, you deserve it. Palakpakan niyo ang bawat isa. And after this program, you celebrate outside with the people behind you. Ang daming kainan dyan sa labas. May Diwata Pares. So yung mga Gen Z at Millennials nakakasakay, di ba? But whatever will be your meal tonight, it doesn't matter. It's about the thing that you are celebrating and with the people that you are celebrating with. These are the men and women who first believed in your abilities, in your dreams, and finally, the long wait is over. You are wearing now the academic toga. Maswerte kayo. Dahil hindi naman lahat nakaka-graduate katulad natin. And as your Emilian Kuya, I will give you some life hacks, so to speak. Because after a few days or weeks, back to reality, boy. Babalik kayo sa kanya-kanyang mundo. And normally, saan ba pumupunta? If you listen attentively to the message of our college president, nandun yung isang tip eh. But for easy recall, these are 7 practical tips that I can share with all of you. And this can be encapsulated to an acronym, Emilian. The first letter is E. Anong palagay? O hindi kayo mapalagay? E. muna. E. start with an end in mind. You have to be visionary, because this will serve as your guiding star as you travel to the real world. Under normal circumstances, a fresh graduate from our school might go to any of these 3 E's: exam preparation, employment, or entrepreneurship. So you have to visualize your success as early as now. Again, as they said, what the mind can conceive, the body can achieve. In my case, I'm so lucky. Why? Because as early as college days, I visualize myself to prepare well for the examination. Bakit? Alam to ni college president. I came from the grassroots, so I needed to study hard and smart and maintain my grades so I can finish my baccalaureate degree. So, estudyante pa lang ako, nagre-ready na ako for examination. And after I graduate, may nakita akong isang babae. Siyempre, tao din tayo eh. Ano, parang lang? Kailangan magwalwal. Balanse lang. So, to make the story short, I told that girl, dare tayo. Pag nag-top 1 ako sa board exam, tayo na. Direct pakikuhanan na. Para makita nila. So, pumayag. So ano ginawa ko? Aba, sir, nag-aaral ako. Mula umaga hanggang hapon. Pagdating ng 5 o'clock, walwal. Kita-kits. Dati, dyan lang sa Kadiwa eh. Sa Walter. Masaya na kami. Tusok-tusok lang doon ang fishball. Diba? Mura na, marumi pa. Again, it's not about the price of the meal. It's about the people or the person that you are with at that time. Now, November 10, 2017, the result of the board exam was released. Noong time namin, wala pang internet, nalalabas yung resulta ng board exam. Dyaryo, boy. Kaya, in 2007, November 10, headline, front page sa Manila Bulletin, the number 1 in criminologist licensure exam nationwide is Emilio Aguinaldo College, Cavite. Daming nag-congratulate sa akin. Instant celebrity. Tapos naisip ko si SpongeBob. Sabi, a few moments later. Naalala ko yung pustahan namin ng girl. Nag-top 1 ako. Sabi ko, yari ka. Again, it started with a vision. Kasi kung hindi ko yan sinimulan with that, end in mind, wala. This will serve as your guiding star, my dear brothers and sisters. Punta tayo sa pangalawang E. Employment. Again, end in mind. Bakit? First year pa lang ako, 2003. Ewan ko kung natatandaan to ni President. Pero sharp ang memory ni Sir eh. 2003. That is the first time that I met the President. Diba, scholar? May kontrata kami. Pinapirma ako ng RSA, Return Service Agreement. Sabi ni Sir, i-scholar kita, pero magsisilbi ka sa EYAC. Again, ang nakalagay pa doon, 1:1 + 1. For every 1 year of scholarship, I needed to serve 1 year plus 1. Since BS Criminology is a 4-year degree, so minimum 5 years. Kaya first year pa lang, aba, employment end in mind. Oh, naswerte ko. Imagine mo, may trabaho kagad ako. Hindi pa ako na-graduate. To me, sabihin niya mababaw. Pero sa akin, it's a blessing. Bakit? Eh dati lang naman ako nagtitinda sa kalsada eh. Diba? I never applied for a job. Pagka-graduate ko, may trabaho kagad ako. Kaya, sabi ko na, after I graduate in college, first 5 years, sure may trabaho ako. Again, end in mind. Kaya, dun pa lang, yung day-to-day activities ko, naka-anchor na dun. And, yung last E, pwede rin kayo mag-venture, entrepreneurship. So, nabanggit na yan kanina sa opening remarks ni President. This is a challenging territory. Not everyone is for business. So, pwede rin natin pasukin yun. Now, that is just the first life hack. End in mind. Whatever, or kahit saan dito, education, employment, entrepreneurship, importante na may letter M. The next letter, M. Anong palagay niyo? Maritesa na lang, maritesa. M. You need to have a mentor. Whether exam preparation, employment, or entrepreneurship, it is ideal that you have the right mentor. Why? Being a neophyte, you are prone to commit mistakes. And these mentors will give you the nuggets of wisdom. You have to learn from their wealth of experiences. You have to practice and adapt their best practices. In my case, swerte ko na naman. Kasi di ba may trabaho agad ako. My first mentor in criminology is of course my dean, Dr. Eileen D. Nunez. Siyempre special mention. So, tinuro sa akin ni Dean yung mga bagay-bagay sa criminology. Huwag kayo magmadali sa sweldo or sa malaking kita. I started in EAC, 141 pesos per hour. Instructor 1. Sabi ni Ma'am Becky, in various capacities. Kasi, aside from being an instructor, I was appointed as laboratory custodian, OJT coordinator, review assistant. Lahat yun, walang additional na sweldo. Uso yun sa EYAC eh. Real talk lang.
Well trained.
Tuwan-tuwa yung mga deans. Tsaka faculty members. Pero, you know what, sa akin nga, kasi zero ako eh. Anything that is above zero is a blessing. Imagine mo 141 pesos per hour, palagay mo magturo lang ako ng 4 hours per day. Oh, you do the math. Magkano yun? 141 times 4 hours. 400 times mga 600 more or less. Oh, that was 2003. Magkano minimum wage dun? Choosy ka pa? Diba? Now, ang point ko, huwag niyo munang isipin yan. You better appreciate the trainings that will be given by the right mentors. So when the right time comes, you are equipped. Kasi multitasking at its finest. Diyan ka gagaling. Oh. So, mentorship is important. Pero syempre, hindi natatapos yun dun. Ano yung pangatlong letter? I. So, meron ka ng end in mind. Meron ka ng mentor. So, anong gagawin mo? Diploma o diskarte? Doon papasok yung pangatlong letter. I. Improve yourself. Bakit? Because 5 years ago, yung alam mo may no longer be relevant today. You have to be updated. You have to be relevant. You need to improve yourself. You may consider graduate school, mag-aaral kayo, or Juris Doctor, law school, kung wala kayong magawa sa buhay. Alam yan ang mga estudyante ko sa law. In my case, habang nagtatrabaho ako, dami kong trabaho sa iyak. Nag-aaral ako. Diba top-notcher? So I had the privilege to choose the scholarship. Inofera nilit ako ng EAC. Napaka-generous ng EAC pagdating dyan. And I am the living witness. Inofera na ako ng local government unit of the Dasmariñas. At meron din from the local government of Cavite sa Kapitolyo. So, parang SM, no? We've got it all for you. Dami ko scholarship eh. So, inaral ko. And before I knew it, 2 years, tapos ko na yung master's degree. Kaya kanina, I was introduced by Ma'am Becky. I became dean at the age of 22. Naka-shorts pa nga ako nun eh. Pinambiruan namin ni President eh. And again, hindi naman ako lumaki sa farm. So natatandaan ko ang detalye. Last Saturday of October 2009, I had my final defense sa master's degree. Ang thesis advisor ko si Dean eh. Punta kami dyan sa EAC Manila. After the defense, the following Monday, nandun kami sa Dasma, the following Monday, there is a call from the office of the President. Tumawag si Sir. Sabi niya sa akin, long distance. Hindi pa usong messenger ng GC. Wala akong ganyan-ganyan dati. Tawag si Sir. Oh, Jeff, I heard that you successfully defended your master's thesis. Would you like to become the Dean of EAC Manila in Criminology? Alam niyo sagot ko? Sure, why not? 22 anyos eh. Ganun talaga magbata, ganun magdadali. Oh, sabi ko, when will I report? Sabi ni Sir, bukas. Kaya, nung pagkatapos sa tawag namin, balik ako doon sa mentor ko, kay Dean. Siyempre, kortyo si Cole. Paalam ako. Tumawag ko si President. Gagawin daw akong Dean sa Manila. Sabi niya, kaya ka mag-start. Sabi ko, bukas. So I pack up my things. Punta ako ng Manila, kinabukasan. Siyempre, report sa Office of the President. Huwag ka. Suot ko nun, nakapambu ako. Ano yung pambu? Pamburol. Nakaka-Amerikana to. Coat and tie to. Report ako kay Sir. Oh, reporting for duty, sir. Oh. So, anong point ko? Diba? Third letter, I. Improve yourself. Kasi kung hindi ako nag-aral kagad ng master's degree, and I rested on my laurel as the board exam top-notcher, that opportunity, hindi ko nakuha yun. So, ibig sabihin, you have to improve yourself so when the opportunity knocks, you are ready to embrace it with open arms. Doon na nagsimula. So, in-improve mo na yung sarili mo. Kaya lang, siyempre, hindi naman ang buhay, hindi naman laging bed of roses. Hindi ganun yan. So, nag-aaral ako. Tapos sabi ko kay sir, gusto ko pang mag-law school. Sabi ni President, mag-aaral ka dyan sa magandang university, dyan sa Taft. Siyempre, sunod ka naman. Good soldier ka. Sunod ako. Kaya lang, nung time na yun, iba ang schedule din, attorney. Iba ang schedule. Ang full-time student. Di ba, at that time, I was the dean. Mahirap. Ang hirap ng buhay. Imagine mo, ang schedule ng klase ko, 9:30 in the morning, first class. Ang pasok sa EAC, 8 o'clock, ordinarily. So, pupunta lang ako ng school, magka-time in, tapos konting briefing sa mga tao, maya-maya, 8:30, 8:45, I needed to go to my law school. Kasi 9:30. Pagdating doon, aral ka, mga 10:30, 11 o'clock, class dismissed, balik ako ng EA. Lunchtime. Tapos maya-maya, alas 2, klase ko na ulit. Balik ako sa law school. Tapos alas 4, balik ako ng EA. Then, alas 6:30, ang klase sa law school, panggabi, meron na naman. Aba, one term ko ginawa yun. Sabi ko, isang sem pa lang Quaresma. Grabe kalbaryo ko nun. Imagine mo. Kaya lang, failures, rejections, and challenges are normal parts of lives. These are inevitable. But, if you will not give up, I will come. Sabi nga, there's a rainbow always after the rain. So after one term, again, for the record, wala akong bagsak noon sa law school. Balik ako kay President. Sabi ko, mahirap po yung ginagawa ko. At the same time, baka mapabayaan ko yung cream. Kasi pag ganun-ganon parang ang lagarin bakal So sabi niya, sige, mag-transfer ka na lang ng ibang school. So, uso na Google nun. Nag-Google ako. Top 10 law school in the country. Yung una sa Diliman. Malayo sa EAC ang Diliman It would take you 2 hours para makarating ka doon. So, hindi healthy yun. May isa pang top law school. Yung school ni Sarbati. Sa Makati. Kaya lang, ang tuition fee, pang mayaman. Kahit scholar ako, nahihiya naman ako. Alam ko naman yung salitang, di ba, hiya. At that time sa Padi, ang tuition fee ng law school, nag-inquire ako, 60,000 per semester, excluding books and others. And that was 2010, mga kapatid. Magkano na ngayon? 6 digits na yan. Sa panahon ngayon, kasi nahiya ako. Tinignan ko pa yung pangatlong law school. Aba, sa Menjola, meron. Tinignan ko, Google ko. Aba, less than 30 minutes, nasa Menjola na ako. This is the most practical. Nag-inquire ako, magkano tuition? At that time, 40 mil lang, boy. Okay na to. Makatarungan na to. Tinuloy ko lang ang aral. Until such time, yun, awa ng Diyos, nakatapos ako. But you know what? Kahit pa nagalingan mo, Di ba, letter I, improve yourself. Kahit galingan mo, normal na may maiinggit sa trabaho mo. Yan, challenge na naman yan. Kaya, yung mga inggitero at inggitera, aba, ewan ko, natatandaan mo ni Sir, may kudeta. May kudeta in my deanship. Bata-bata, 22, kaedad mo lang. Din ka na. O, may kudeta, may gustong kumuha ng posisyon ko. Nag-aaral pa ako. So, hati yung atensyon ko, syempre. Kung baga sa boxing, lumalaban ka, isang kamay lang. Kaliwa pa. So, ang hirap. Ano ginawa ko? Punta ako kay President. Sabi ko, pasensya na po kayo, minsan may mga pagkukulang ako. Pero ginagawa ko naman po yung best ko. Siguro, dahil masyado akong bata nung naging dean ako. Pero alam niyo, sabi si President, hindi ko makalimutan to, sir. Your being young is not the reason. That is not the reason. In fact, that is your strength. Because you are full of new ideas. I became president. I was the youngest in my colleagues. Sinabi ni Sir yun. Among the school presidents, si Sir ang pinakabata noong time na yun. More than 20 years ago. Oh, noon pa yun, Sir. Ewan ko nga tumandahan na ako Dati naka-shorts lang ako Sabi ni Sir, look at now. After several years, look at now, sabi niya. All of them are gone. Who's left? Siya na lang natitira. Kasi lahat yun 6 feet below the ground kasi naging president si Sir, mga 40s po, no? Line of work. Mga kasabayan ni Sir, mga contemporary niya, mga dual citizen Filipino citizen at senior citizen. Dual citizen yun. After 20 years, imagine, 60 na si Sir. Yung mga kasabayan niya, 80, kumusta ka naman? All of them are gone. Who's left? He is now the most veteran. Kaya nga patriarch kaya naging chairman ng Cocopeya si Sir Siya na ang pinaka-senior Aside from the abilities, of course. Diba? So, ayun, may sumisignal sa akin dito. So, ang point, tuloy mo lang. Kasi yung letter L, learn to be resilient. Learn to be resilient. Again, hashtag, walang forever. Kahit gaano kahirap yan, lilipas din yan. Now, so, tuloy ang laban. Next letter, I. Integrity should be your necklace. Do not cut corners. Huwag kang magmamadaling yumaman to the point that you will do illegal things. Ang dami ng related literature yan. Bakit? Kasi meron kami mga naging estudyante. Pulis. Nung nasa PNP na, yun. Nasilaw. Ano nangyari? 3 ang kaso. Criminal, civil, administrative. Nakakulong. Pagkatapos mo magpakahirap, makukulong ka lang. Because you cut corners. Again, integrity should be your necklace. In my case, when I was appointed as the Chief Legal of EAC Manila, ang karaniwan ng mga kasong ina-handle natin dyan, sir, di ba? SSS. Sexual harassment. Ang sa school kasi uso yan. S, salapi o pera. And S, sinungaling. Magta-time in ka, tapos aalis ka. Babalik ka na 5. Mayayari ka dyan. Unless na may basbas ka. Pero kung wala kang basbas, wag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo, sabi. Diba? Aside from that, next letter, A. Lahat ng success natin, dapat may A. Attitude of gratitude. Hindi ikaw lang ang gumawa niyan. Maraming tumulong sa'yo, sumuporta sa'yo, kaya ka matagumpay. So, may I request the graduating class to please rise. Harapin nyo nga yung mga parents nyo. Sige, face them. Sabihin nyo, Ma'am! Ma'am! Maraming salamat po. Sa pagtsatsagaan nyo sa atin. Nakagraduate na ang paborito mong anak. I love you! Palakpakan nyo ang mga magulang nyo. Ang susunod, harapin niyo ang mga members of the administration and faculty. Sir! Ma'am! Kala mo ha? Graduate na to! Salamat po! Sa laging pagbibigay ng lifeline. Kahit bagsak naman talaga ako. Pero pag nakita sa Facebook ang post ko, iisipin nila ang galing-galing ko. Salamat po. Palakpakan natin sila. At syempre, ang pinakamalakas na palakpak sa lahat, salamat tayo sa Diyos. Hindi pa kayo umupo. May recitation pa kayo bago mag-graduate. Let's do the recap. E stands for end in mind. M, mentor. I, improve yourself. L, learn to be resilient. I, integrity should be your necklace. A, deserve nyo pag-graduating ngayong hapon. Sige, maupo na kayo na. Pero syempre, may isa pa, di ba? What letter is that? N. Ano palagay nyo? N. Wherever you go, whatever you achieve in life in the future, N is important. Never forget EAC. Because in one way or another, EAC has a big contribution kung ano ka ngayon at kung ano ang mararating mo in the future. Kanina, sinabi ko, more than 15 commencement guestings. But this one is so special. Why? Because more than half of my life is with EAC. I am celebrating my debut for the 21st year as an Emilian. I started in 2003 until 2007 as a student. 2007 until 2009 as college instructor. 2009 until 2017 as the school dean. 2017 to 2020 as the chief legal counsel. 2020, the pandemic came as an online part-time professor. Until now, I am connected with EAC. So 21 years and counting. So EAC has been with me through the years. Parang gusto niyo kumanta. And, gusto niyo ba? Lagyan mo nga ng echo, direct. And if there is a song that I will dedicate to EAC, ayan na, to describe my life as an Emilian. The title is, of course, Through the Years. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. EAC, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. EAC, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you. EAC. Ang daya niya naman eh. Sabayan niyo ako. Second stanza. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine leaving someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Sabay-sabay. EAC, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. EAC. Again, congratulations. I am proud to be an Emilian. Mabuhay ang EAC!